Let's make one of the best hair growth spray from India. I said India because this recipe was inspired by an Indian YouTuber. Let me introduce to you the ingredients we are going to use for this recipe. All the ingredients we use in this recipe is very accessible and also cost effective. Most times it's already in your kitchen. Our first ingredient is cloves. Clove stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair growth and strengthening the hair follicle. Eugenol content in clove helps fight free radicals, creating a healthy scalp environment for your hair. It also prevents hair loss because it contains antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals such as iron, potassium. Clove nourishes and strengthens the hair. Our second ingredient is rice. Rice water contains compounds that can help strengthen the hair strands and reduce breakage. It promotes hair growth. The nutrients in rice, such as vitamin C and minerals, can help nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. It also improves the texture of your hair. Rice water can help smooth out the hair cuticles, reducing freezes and adding shine to your hair. It also combats dandruff and scalp itchiness because of its antimicrobial property. The next ingredient is garlic. Garlic contains a very high sulfur content and also a compound known as allicin, which stimulates the hair follicle, increase blood circulation to the scalp, and encourage hair growth. Garlic reduces hair loss. The sulfur content in garlic strengthens the hair follicle, reduces breakage and hair loss. It also fights scalp infection. Garlic contain both antimicrobial property and antifungal property which combat scalp infection, dandruff and lice. The next ingredient is ginger. Ginger stimulates hair growth. Ginger's warming properties increase blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth and strengthening the hair follicle. It also reduces dandruff and scalp infection. Ginger also contains both antimicrobial and antifungal properties which help control dandruff, itchiness and other scalp issues. It improves overall scalp health. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory property that can soothe the scalp, reducing irritation and inflammation. It also adds shine and strength to hair. The last ingredient is rosemary. You can use either dry or fresh rosemary. Rosemary stimulates hair growth. The natural properties in rosemary improve blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth and strengthening the hair follicle. It also reduces dandruff and scalp issues. Rosemary contains antimicrobial and antifungal property that helps control dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp issue. It also improves the texture of your hair. All five ingredients used in this recipe is all available in your kitchen. So now that we have identified all our ingredients, let's go ahead and start with the process. For the measurement, I am going to use 1 tablespoon of each ingredient. Feel free to use as much ingredient as you desire. This spray can be made and stored in your refrigerator for as long as 1 month. You can also put it in your deep freezer to ice up and use it later. I am going to add in all our ingredients one after the other. Feel free to take out any one you don't have readily available to you. Also, you can replace the garlic with onion. For the ginger, if you paid attention, you will notice that I didn't take out the peel. When it comes to hair growth, the peel is equally beneficial. That is, the back of the ginger is equally beneficial. So do not take it out. If you want to cook with it, you can take out the back. But if you're using it for hair, just clean it up very well by washing it, then use it up. So this is me introducing the rice. Properly wash. Make sure you rinse out your rice very well to take out all the impurities before you go ahead and use it. After that, I went ahead to pour in some water. So there are two ways to prepare this. You can actually do the boiling method or you can let it sit for a day or two to steep into the water. For this video, I'm going to do the boiling method, but any other time I need to use this, I am definitely going to soak it for a few days before I use it. So we are going to boil this on a very low heat. Emphasis on very low heat. We don't want to lose all the nutrients. So boil it on a very low heat. Just let it take its time to steep into the water. We are going to cook this for about 10 minutes. That is enough time to release all the nutrients into the water. Do not go more than 10 minutes. If not, it's going to lose its potency. And also keep the heat very low. We are picking the fast and the easy method, but also trying to be cautious about losing the nutrient because it is the nutrient that we need for our hair. It's been 5 minutes. Our hair growth spray is ready. So I'm just going to off the gas and I let it sit for about 20 minutes to steep and cool off. You might be wondering, will this work? The answer is yes. Every ingredient in this recipe, in one way or the other, improve blood circulation to your scalp, and which is exactly what you need. The rice in this recipe deals with breakage. It strengthens your hair. If you're able to tackle breakage, you have solved 80% of the natural hair care problem, hereby retaining more length. If there's no breakage, then there's length retention. If you let this sit longer, you're going to get a darker water because the clove would have steeped properly into the water. I poured into the glass cup so you guys can see the color before I go ahead and transfer it into my spray bottle. Please note that if you're going to let yours sit for a day or two, you're going to get a darker shade of the water and the rice is going to ferment, which is best for hair growth. This might look very simple and easy, but we just made a very powerful hair growth tonic from the comfort of your home. Rosemary, rice, clove, ginger, garlic are each known to boost scalp health, stimulate the hair follicle, fight hair loss, but when combined together, they create this natural, nutrient-rich tonic that trigger multiple causes of slow growth, shedding, and hair thinning. This spray is a solution to any kind of hair issues you might be battling with. For rosemary, it promises to stimulate blood flow to your scalp, delivering oxygen and nutrient directly to your hair follicle. The antibacterial and antifungal properties in rosemary can keep your scalp very clean. It will prevent premature graying because of the antioxidant property. It will strengthen your hair and make the strands thicker. Rice water will strengthen and repair your weak strands. It will improve elasticity, reducing breakage and hair shedding. It also adds shine and smoothness to your hair. Clove also will stimulate blood flow to your scalp, increasing oxygen supply to your hair follicle. It also fights dandruff because it contains antifungal and antibacterial property and also prevents buildup. It will strengthen your hair from the root because it has antioxidant property that protects the hair follicle from damages. Ginger is also excellent for stimulating blood flow to the scalp, hereby delivering all the essential nutrients needed for your hair to grow. It contains a compound called gingerol which fights inflammation around the hair follicle, hereby reducing hair loss. It stimulates hair growth, it wakens up dormant hair follicle and improve scalp health. It fights dandruff because it has antiseptic properties that reduces flaking and itchiness. Garlic stops excessive shedding because it is high in sulfur content which strengthens keratin, which is the main building block of protein, the main protein needed for your hair. It boosts collagen production for thicker hair strands. It cleanses the scalp and prevents buildup. It improves blood flow to the scalp, enhancing nutrient delivery to the hair follicle. When you combine rosemary, clove, and ginger, it will deeply stimulate and reactivate dormant hair follicle. If you combine rice and garlic, it will strengthen and repair damaged hair strands from the inside out. If you combine rosemary and rice water, it will balance the scalp pH and encourage continuous hair growth. So this is how all these ingredients work together when combined. So there's every chances that if you use this on your hair, you're definitely going to see the results. This combination will accelerate your hair growth, strengthen weak strands, stop dandruff and itchiness, reduce shedding and thinness, add shine, softness, and manageability. You can either use this as a leave-in spray or a washout spray. If you're going to use it as a leave-in spray, ensure that you make use of a leave-in conditioner afterward because rice water can dry out your hair. If you're going to wash it out, let it sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour before you go ahead and wash it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day.